Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Jeep Gladiator. Before you even think about lifting your vehicle, safety is paramount. Always ensure you are on a flat, stable surface and engage your parking brake. Wheel chocks are essential for the wheels remaining on the ground, preventing any unexpected movement. Always use a floor jack and jack stands rated for your Gladiator's weight, typically around 5,000 pounds or more. Now, let's talk about the right tools and where to put them. You'll need a reliable floor jack, at least 2 sturdy jack stands, and those crucial wheel chocks. For your Jeep Gladiator, the safest jacking points are the frame rails, usually found just behind the front wheels or in front of the rear wheels. Carefully slide your floor jack under one of these designated points, ensuring it makes solid contact with the frame. With your jack correctly positioned, it's time to lift. Slowly and steadily pump the floor jack handle, watching as your Gladiator rises. Once it reaches your desired working height, carefully slide your 2 jack stands underneath the frame rails, right next to your floor jack. Make sure they are firmly seated and stable. Then, slowly lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, allowing them to bear the full weight. When your work is complete, it's time to lower your Gladiator safely. First, use your floor jack to lift the vehicle just enough to take the weight off the jack stands. Then, carefully remove both jack stands from underneath the frame. With the stands clear, slowly and smoothly release the pressure on your floor jack, allowing the vehicle to descend gently to the ground. Finally, remove the floor jack and wheel chocks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.